Well, good morning. Got a little problem I'm gonna try to solve. I'm tired of like hoisting my logs up there to get my angle, so I've got 3 sticks and 2 screws. I'm gonna see if I can't, put it together and solve my issue. Um, we'll see. Ooh, maybe not, but we will find out. Hope that this is showing. I can't really tell. Happy Tuesday, by the way. And yes, I do have a drill. Unfortunately, it's lacking battery right now, and I do not know if our lithium battery is up to charging it, so I'm just gonna do it by hand. Alright, so part one. Now, in order to be part two, I'll have to do it this way, I think. Although this is a bit long, so I love this saw. Yes, it's batched up, but I call it my butterfly handle saw because it kind of reminds me of a switchblade, which used to be popular back in the day. Alright, so my theory is that I should be able to hold this next to the surface and then move this according to the angle that I'm after. And then with this screwed here, mark here. That way I can be able to take the whole thing down and transfer it to whatever log that I'm working on. But we'll see. Sometimes an idea is good in your head, but in practicality it don't necessarily work out. Let's just make sure I'm going to get enough of a bite. Ooh. Alright, I'll have to go down real hard on this one. I should have gotten a longer screw. Hopefully I'll be able to get some film of my intended use. I will certainly let you know if this works or not. And while, yes, it'd be easy to go buy a tool, one, I personally don't have funds. Two, I don't hardly leave the property. Three, I'd rather make it. Alright, there's that part. Now, let's see. Okay, I think that might work. One thing about living up here, you adjust real quick to what is a natural sound or natural to you, because the dogs and the children, they are all natural to me. And what is not natural. And I just heard a sound. Of course, I think it might be Duclit. Alright, if that keeps up, I might have to go check it out. Well, there's Savannah. Alright. So we've got the basic. Let's see if it works. Toodaloo for now. So, here we go. Alright. I am not close enough. Give me a sec. Sweet. Alright. So then the translation would be that. And this would be my angle. Now let's go see if we can transfer that to a log. Got it?
Go.
Alright, so here we go. Here's the log in question. I don't want to have to cut it twice. So, this was my straight up and down over there. This was the angle of my wood that I've got. Right? So, theoretically, I should be able to match this here. Mark this here. Ooh. Oh, well then it'll be upside down, but that's okay. Interesting. Alright, well we'll try it, won't we? Well, I do have to get... Oh, that's better. Hold on, I have to hold this while I make my mark. Ooh, that's not gonna work. Alright, gotta do it this way. Alright, and there is my mark. So, just... So, doing this, it transposed it. So, this will be the top, and this will be the bottom. Alright, I will come back when I've got everything all fixed up. Also, well, I have to do another kind of cut at the bottom of the log. You know, you remember the box hinge and all that. So now that I've got, you're going to have to put your foot here. Now that I've got this cut made, I'm going to go down and make sure that this log is 10 feet. And alright, so got my 10 feet. Then I will have to measure. Let go. I'll have to measure my distance again from the center post to the side post to get where to put my little box hinge. And yes, I know this is a crappy tape measure, but it is better than the other one. Alright, so we'll catch you in a bit on that side.
Good.
Alright, so now, even though I know that the general post side is 10 feet, right? Right, because it has to go over. I need to get the exact spot to put my box hinge. So it will be 106 inches and 3/4. 106 inches and 3/4. Let go, please. All right. So now we'll go back over there and I'll mark my box top. Plus, I need 3 inches to accommodate the post on that end.
Wait, should I end it?
Yes. Well,
Bye
we'll have
bye.
to get your mom to fucking. So my previous measurement for the box cut is 106 inches and 3/4. And that will be the outside edge. So 106 inches and 3/4. Outside edge, oops, and not in the right spot. B, Q. Alright, and then I need approximately 3 inches. And I've learned from experience on these, it is better to go with an extra inch, so to 104. Well, that's not quite 3 inches. Alright, so now we are, can you let go? I'll let this go. We're going to take it down a bit. Or I should say in a bit, something like that. Let's start. I need you to slowly get up, so I need to eyeball my top down there. Alright. And you guys do not mind all this, because all this was literally spread everywhere up here. And we have been able to make one scrap run to get rid of some of it, but yeah, this is, yeah, don't mind it. Alright, now this is where I was eyeballing. Okay. This one needs to go a bit lower. Alright, the rest of it will be my box hinge. Alright, so you guys, I already have an example of my box hinge up on my channel, so I'll get you back when we're ready to put it up. So my little trick did work, and it's kind of awesome. I also got that little cross member in, and yeah, there we go, guys.